Fractions and decimals. Fractions. We can define fraction as follows. A part of the whole is called a fraction. A fraction is written with a pair of whole numbers, say p and q, in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0. P is called the numerator and q is called the denominator of the fraction p by q. For example, 5 by 1, 1 by 3, 5 by 7, 11 by 8, 3 by 2, etc. 8 by 6 by 28. To find the cross product of numerator. Fundamental operations on fractions. Let's understand with a few examples. Ratio and proportion. Unitary method. Ratio and proportion. In